each voice a softly glowing flame, a thread of truth from age to age, held gently on a timeless page.
From whispered tales by firesides warm, to lessons shaped by love and storm, each generation learned its part and passed it on from heart to heart.
The wisdom earned through joy and pain flows on like an eternal chain, a gift preserved through sacred care, so future souls may be aware. For every life that walked before is open wide another door. Their steps, their trials, their hopes, their fears still echo through the passing years. And now we stand with open eyes to honor all that made us rise, to teach, to share, to guide the way. So